guys, my name's Eloise and I'm here to show you the gorgeous Cleo wig from Wille's HairPower collection. So as you can see, this style is a really fun, short, modern bob with a lovely fringe just at the front here. All just one length and really stunning and really chic. As you can see, it's quite a blunt cut, which gives it that sort of fun, modern look and has a really lovely full fringe at the front here. So as you can see right now, she is dead straight, super silky and shiny, but the Cleo is a heat resistant style, so it's made up of heat resistant synthetic fibres, which means that it can be curled, straightened, styled however you like using heat tools up to 130 degrees. So this is how she comes, super stunning, but if you also want to add some waves in there or whatever you fancy, you can also do that. So this is the Cleo in Silver Blonde Rtd that I'm holding here, but the Cleo does actually come in 12 different shades. We'll show you a few of the different shades later, but for now we're just going to have a look at the cap inside and look at how she's constructed, and then we'll try her on. So here she is from the inside. As you can see here, there isn't a lace front, but that's because there's this lovely fringe here, so there's no need for the lace front as you wouldn't be able to see it anyway, and instead you just have this super soft material here, similar to what you get just at the ear tabs here. This really smooth fabric that's just really gentle on your skin, just around from the ear tabs, just at the front here. The Cleo also has a monofilament crown, which just means that this area of the wig looks more natural as the hairs appear to be coming out of the crown of your head and are growing naturally. She also has super breathable wefting just throughout the rest of the cap, which is also really stretchy, which again just makes it even more comfortable. Again, just past the ear tabs here, a nice bit of elastic just to help it feel extra secure and sit really nicely and comfortably on your head. There's also just some metal stays in the ear tabs to make sure that it's super secure on your head just behind your ears. And that super stretchy elastic at the back can also be adjusted like this to make it tighter or a bit looser, however fits you best. So we're just going to turn the Cleo back around the right way and then pop her on so that we can have a better look at her. So this is her on. The Cleo is such a gorgeous blunt cut bob. As you can see, there's not really any layers, it's all sort of this one length, aside from the fringe of course, but it is just so flattering. Cleo does sit at around 18 centimeters of length, so it's sort of just below the chin. It is the same length all the way round. Obviously it does look a little bit shorter just at the back here, as you can see, compared to the front, but it is all approximately 18 centimeters from the cap. The fringe is slightly thinned out just so that it sits nicer and isn't too heavy on the face. As you can see, it is a full fringe, but yeah, not too heavy, not taking away from the rest of the wig, and not taking away from your face either. I love the style of this wig. I feel like it's really unique and there's not many other wigs out there that are like this one. Another great thing about this wig being made from heat resistant fibres is that obviously you can style it however you want. If you want to add some waves in there, you can. If you want to make it super curly, you can. Also with the fringe, if you want it to sort of wave out a bit more, and obviously use heat tools to get it to sit however you like. So it's pretty customizable. If you want to change up your look, you can. The wig also feels really comfortable and really lightweight on my head. The wefting really helps with breathability, and also it's really elasticated, so fits really comfortably and isn't pulling. It just sits really nicely without me having to do anything. So many of our customers who love bob styles have made Cleo their go-to, and I can understand why. As I said earlier, this is the shade Silver Blonde Rtd. As you can see, it does have those brown roots there, but this wig does actually come in 12 different shades. So I'm just going to take this one off and pop on a different shade so that we can have a closer look. So this next shade that we've got here is the Nougat mix. So I love this one, it's so pretty. I don't know if you can see too well just because of the lighting in here, but it's got such lovely blondie highlights. So it's a nice sort of cool brown tone with the blondie shades. Just so that you guys are aware, I do have all of my natural hair under the cap. Obviously the wig still looks gorgeous and perfect. I feel like it looks like it maybe wouldn't be as comfortable as it is, but this is probably one of the most comfortable wigs I've had on. It just is so stretchy, so comfy, and always looks cute. This is the most low maintenance fringe you could possibly have. Obviously there's no need to trim it. Obviously if you would like to trim it, have it a little bit shorter, you can do that, but otherwise it just sits so perfectly. So as I said before, the Cleo is available in 12 different shades. This is one of the brown ones. This is probably one of the cooler toned browns that are available in the Cleo. But if you visit our website, judyplumwigs.co.uk, you can see the full range that are available over on our site. I've just got one more shade to show you today, so I'm just going to pop that one on and then we can have a look at it together. So this is the gorgeous, very popular Light Bernstein Rtd shade. So this is one of Wille's more popular blondie shades. It isn't super blonde, but it obviously is quite light. But I love this one. Again, look how stunning all the different shades within this wig are. It just blends in so beautifully, and this is also obviously a Rtd shade, so again helps to make it look more natural. And I feel like a shade like this would look so stunning with some little curls, but that's obviously up to you. You can style it however you like. I really do hope you've enjoyed having a closer look at the Cleo from Wille's HairPower collection with me today. I hope I've covered everything, but if you have any more questions at all about the Cleo wig, please leave them down below. Or if you've got any video requests as well that you'd like to see in the future, just let us know and we can get that sorted. This style is available over on our website, with many different shades being available for immediate dispatch, so you can order today and have your gorgeous Cleo by tomorrow. So do make sure that you head on over there after watching this video. You can check out our channel where we've got loads and loads of wig reviews and lots of different content on all things wigs. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe. You can also check us out over on our different social media platforms, so make sure to visit judyplumwigs.co.uk, where we guarantee that we will get you the best price of all UK retailers. Once again, the Cleo is available in 12 different shades on our website now. Thank you so much for watching our video, and we'll see you in the next one.